gagawa ako ng crepe. Ayun, tawag ito wrapper. Butter ng wrapper. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung difference. Pag yung kaka-mix pa lang, hindi pwedeng gamitin. So, ito, ilagay ko ito sa ref. Until bukas or mamayang gabi. I-try natin kung okay na siya mamayang gabi. So, na-share ko na sa inyo guys kung paano gumawa ng wrapper. Bale, ito ay turo ni Sis Yuki. Depende naman sa atin guys ang paggawa ng wrapper. So, itong paggawa ko ay natutunan ko ito kay Sis Yuki. Hindi niya nilalagyan ng egg, milk, at iba pa. So, nilalagay niya lang is salt, water, yun lang, and i-mix niya. Ganyan. Nabisita si mama. Ganyan lang, mix lang. So, ituro ko sa inyo guys yung sinasabi kong after ma-mix yung butter, lagyan ng tubig. Cover natin ito ng tubig. Tapos, ilagay natin sa freezer. Tignan nyo, diba kakamix lang, hindi siya okay. Yung doon natin putol-putol, oh. Dapat yan pag mahulog sabay-sabay. So na-mix na ito. Okay na ito. 1 kilo din ito guys. Mix natin mabuti. Huwag hayaan na may bubble yung alam nyo, namumuo ba. So ito lang ang pag-mix ko, yung chopstick. Okay lang naman. Pwede naman sigurong ibang paraan. Iba-iba po tayo guys ha. Basta ito sa akin. At okay naman ang kalabasan niya. At saka ito pwedeng gawing crepe. Kasi may nagtanong bakit ang crepe daw wala akong milk, wala akong nilagay na milk. Hindi guys, ito talaga wrapper siya. Pero kapag yung lagyan ko siya ng toppings, ganyan, pwede kong gawing i-crispy yung wrapper. So, maging parang crepe siya. Ganun. Ganun lang. Okay na siya. So, ang sinasabi kong lagyan siya ng tubig after natin ma-mix. Tapos, pag-gagamitin na natin, itapon natin yung tubig. Ganon. So, okay na siya guys. Mix na siya. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. O, tignan nyo. Hindi pa okay. Hindi okay kasi, nahuhulog sila. Pero pag okay na siya, sabay-sabay sila. Bukas or pag gagamitin ko na siya. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng tubig para mailagay na natin ito sa sinasabi guys. Okay. Diba na-mix na natin. Ganyan na siya. So, ang gagawin natin, lagyan natin ito ng tubig. Ganyan, i-cover natin ng tubig. Tapos, bukas ito, or kapag gagamitin na natin, itapon natin yung tubig. Hindi yan mag-absorb. Nasa ibabaw lang siya. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. And then, i-cover na natin ito ng king-fling. Ganyan. Okay. Lagyan pa natin konti. Basta, pag alam natin ma-cover na siya. Dalawang cups ang nilagay. Ayan, ganyan.
Ooh, you gonna make the crab?
Wrapper. At gagawa na tayo either bukas ng dynamite guys. Nalalaki na yung sili ko. Okay, ready na. Ang aking ilagay natin na ito sa ref. Hi guys, nakaluto na ako. So ito, patata and salad. Ako ito yung chicken nasa oven. And then yung talong na galing sa garden ko. So, ito yung sauce na ginawa ko sa chicken. Ayan, chicken sauce. Sausawan ni Mr. Johnny. Init guys. Ayan, handa na tayo ng food. Kain po tayo guys ha. Maganda ang panahon, hindi siya mainit. Mag-init siya. Let's eat guys.
Batatas hier?
No, finish.
No?
Hello.
Hey, the last day solo, and then they go on highway. And mommy is already failing. I told you to adjust the chair.
Bothering me
Mommy, I told you to adjust the chair, but you don't listen.
Ala, wala na si daddy dito.
Solo.
What is that?
You go back.
Show us your best.
Let's see if mommy will go on
To
the
the right,
highway or she will still need some training. Let's see if mommy will go to the highway or she will be still training. Stop. You're gonna hit. You're gonna hit.
Yeah, mama. Don't worry, Kagibi.
Oh, this doesn't know.
Mommy, are you sure that's on 3 and not on 2?
Mommy, stop. I don't feel like holding the camera.
Daddy is there. Let daddy Give daddy the camera. Take the camera.
Anna? It's on.
Yes.
Hek? Give me hek. Hek?
Push the screen. Touch the screen.
Bravo, bravo. I'm happy, I'm happy. I'm proud of me because I'm the best teacher it seems. And of you. Nice, nice. Yeah. Nice.
Kaya ko na guys, mag-parking. Pasado na ako.
Nice, from the first time, nice. But you took it too much there. You should adjust and turn before you reach the corner there. Like, the wheel there.
Oh, pinawisan ako guys.
Just a little bit the line, but then it fixed. You reach here. Yalla, Cheyenne.
Okay,
Yalla,
so Cheyenne.
Becky, we go to the highway now. Yalla. You will look at me. Think what I was saying. You will go out like this. You will park the car straight, not too much to the front. You will go back straight, park it in number 1. Yalla.
This is the hard thing.
If it's not straight, it will be hard for you. Put it in a straight way and go back straight. Yalla. Not too much far from the yellow line. You must see the heading, the green.
I think you
Go. Cheyenne, get down. You go back. You go to number 3, straight, and go back straight. Park it again. Yalla.
Okay.
Cheyenne, get down of the car.
Sit next to me. Akala, stay.
Careful when you go out of here. That time you were about to hit right.
Okay. Ate, take it.
Yalla.
Mommy was better than you because you didn't turn right. Like full right.
Put it in your mind, Baba, okay?
Okay.
Yani, Inti, look. What do I have to do if I want to park here? I go there, and I come back Shweshbe, then I curve, then I adjust, then I full curve, and I fix the car. You know?
Okay.
Hey, think before you do the steps. So when you are in the car, you will know the steps. More, Han, more. More. To the end of number 3. End of number 3. Yalla, enough. Go back. Inti kaman, you will do it alone. Yeah,
Okay.
alone in the car. So, we need to park here. This road is straight. So we must go back straight. But to go back straight, we must put it straight way. You know? And I go back straight. Neither right, neither left. Look, Mom, it's making right and left. Mishon, I did number 2. This is number 2. You need to put on number 1. Why you are curving like this? I said put on number 1. Go back straight, then put on number 1 again. You see, she advanced. If it's you must not advance. You turn the steering wheel and you go back. And you go back straight till you reach here.
Okay.
You know? To go back straight and not make it hard. Try to fix the car straight when you are going. But then you go back straight. Same. You look her hands. You don't move right or left. Once you see here, you begin to curve shwe. When it enters, you curve totally. Yalla. You got it?
Yes.
نرجع straight. Enough. Yalla. Enough. You skipped the steel. It should be in facing you. مش totally there. When it's in the middle of the glass, bravo. When you see the steel, the point in the middle of your window, immediately begin to adjust because you curved already.
Mommy, it's not raining.
Lift it up. Bravo. Bravo.
Mommy, it's not raining.
Yalla, park. Go, Cheyenne, انت. Again,
Okay,
yalla.
okay.
One more time, yalla.
Oops, sorry guys.
Good now?
Very good.
Take.
Yay, good na daw ako.
When
Siya.
you see
Hirap guys.
when you see the corner
Mm.
next to here, you begin to curve totally. You curve totally. You don't put the car like this, the front like this. You curve totally. When you go back, you are curving totally. When you see this one next to you, in the middle of the road, the window, you adjust. So the car will not go straight to the wall. And your face must not be to the here.
Wala na yung ganyan-ganyan ba?
Bravo.
Here.
Bravo.
Wow, dito siya magpark o sa yellow ay sa white one. The inside ng white one.
Yala. Look here also. Hey, look here. شوف هنا. Yala. Go back. In between the white lanes. You see the white one on the mirrors? Go park it here. Bravo.
Bravo, ang damita mo.
Bravo. Bad, eh.
Wala na ito guys. Dito na kami. Oh my god, mahirap na siya.
Bravo. More a little bit. Bravo. Bravo. Go back. Go back. Stop. Yalla. Adjust your wheels. Stop.
Wow,
Park.
perfect.
Park.
Meron din dito oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.
See here?
Perfect.
See in the back. You see in the front. Look at the right. You have this only space to park. If you are there, not straight, you are there. Yalla, Han. Go there, Han. Go there. Go back and park it here. Yalla.
I go there?
You go to the right. Anna, I will take it. So you
Look,
take the
alas,
car.
Anna, I go.
Take the car, put there next to number 3.
Mm.
Balina, go back. You have to park it here.
Fix your seat.
Oh my god.
Go next to number 3. At the end of number 3. To the right. Okay.
Oh my god, pupunta ako dun. Ano ba ang pupunta dun? Right, ano? Diyos ko, tulungan mo ako. Guide mo ako, Lord. Oh, ito na yung mali sa akin. Punta daw ako doon sa kanila.
Okay, stop there. Because you can see the other line. At least come to the border of this line. You keep looking to the left, come to the border of this line. Because you can see that one yet. To the border, not 1 meter away. To the border, to this one. The white lane, yalla. As you are, yalla, hey, go to the left. Right to the left, to take the car here. Now, if you look, you can begin to see the white lane there. You see it? On the ground? Yalla. Pass. Adjust your wheel. Little bit to the front. Little bit back. Adjust, I said adjust. Don't take it to the left. I said adjust,
Okay,
yeah, it's
okay.
straight.
Okay. So good?
To be adjusted head, it should be for sure like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good na?
Stop, park.
Mm.
Get down. Get your camera.
Tignan natin kung nakapunta ba. Go.
The right lane, the right white lane.
Yan eh.
You see? No, it's good. But once you can see it, at least you look at the one next to you. The one you can see.
Okay.
Get to next to the border. So hide it when I come along.
Okay.
No? Let's go.
Perfect na ako sa parking. Wala, punta na daw kami sa highway.
إذا ما في traffic we will see. هلا يلا.
Let's go sa highway. Oh my god, ang bibilis nila.
Why in Lebanon? It's if you learn, it's hard, but if you learn, it's better. Look, nobody stays in the same lane.
Yeah.
In America, this lane it's for 0 to 80. Huh? The second lane it's from 81 till 140.
Oof.
The third lane it's from 140 till 200. You cannot go there, and the third one and drive 80. This is in America, in France, in Canada, in Philippines. Here, you can see there somebody driving 60, here 120, you know, in the state. So that's why ما في rules. They don't stick with the rules. ما في law, ما في كذا. So you have to predict everything. You have to keep looking here, here, and here, even if you are driving straight, to know the cars behind you how they are moving, to avoid the accident. Once you avoid the accidents, this is when you are perfect. You are perfect driver. Look, look, look. I crossed him. I crossed him. I moved a bit, but then I retake my right like this. Got it? Both of you.
Ang bibilis guys, nakakatakot.
It's not that you must not make an accident. You have to avoid the accidents coming from people. That's when the only time that you are a perfect driver. To predict how people will drive, so you avoid the accidents. This is it.
I know all.
He's vlogging.
I know all.
He's vlogging.
Dito na kami sa highway.
Mommy almost crashed us.
No.
Don't say that. Ready to crash mommy.
You need to pray. Oh, it's not later.
You see how a little bit it's less.
Yeah, I should be driving here. Hello.
Why we come to the highway? Because you need to control the car on a big wide way. At the same time, you need to control how much you can speed, how much you slow down. So in internal roads, you will know how to control the benzene and the frame.
Matalan na ito is coming man. I will not
Stay intihek.
I will not
How he will pass? If he needs to cross you over, he will cross from your left, not from your right. Some people they do it to the right when they are in hurry or something. But until stay straight, until stay straight, he will do what he wants. I don't care for him. My God, we went down now. He will care, Yani. Stay on this part. Too bad. Bravo, stay here on this asphalt, don't go down. I don't care the people, let them speed in there. Control your car, you are down of 60, and you are in danger on the highway. Let it be 60. Okay, give it an eye on Hayday, let it be 60. But now if you see the road is going down, it means the car will speed already without your benzene, it will speed. So you give a little bit benzene to control it.
Why is the road like this?
Shubiki, you will stop. Give benzene to شوي لأنه هون في somewhere we need to take the right.
Yeah.
Slow down, we give benzene.
Then you guys, dito na kami sa pauwi na kami. Takot. Takot mag-drive sa highway ba? Ganda dito oh. Wala masyadong sasakyan.